In this video we're going to do a very common scenario, which is to include a script from an external application. And in this case we're looking at something called TidyCal, which will allow people to get in touch and book an appointment. So in the subscription there's an embed booking page and they will give you the script. So it should be as easy as just copying it, go to your website, go to the HTML module, and then we'll just include the source code here. And if we hit save, then you can see it's already there. But there's a catch. If we start editing, you'll see it's empty. And if we look at the source, you can see it's empty again. So if I would just hit the save button, it's all gone. So what just happened? Well, what happened is that the source code has some classes like a div and some classes and script tag that is not allowed by default by the editor. So there's a security measure that will say we're gonna delete that. So there is a way around that, which says we have a basic one and this is a raw version, and if we now hit the save button, it's there. And if we're gonna start editing again, here it is, it's still there. So it doesn't look as fancy as the usual editor, but it does the trick. So there's one other way. If you feel this is too complicated and you are a webmaster, for instance, and don't want to bother any editor with this, you can choose to go for the settings, and then there is like advanced settings, and you can put it in the heading of the module, hit update, and it's there. So if by accident an editor decides he wants to edit some more text, there's nothing here. So if we go back to HTML, have the editor, you can do a lot here. You can just try to edit something and it will be here, and the script will not be touched. So that's how to handle scripts to inject external scripts.